dear students. In this topic, you will see that we have a revised syllabus, right? We have a revised syllabus. In that revised syllabus, we don't use MS Office tools. Okay, we will use Open Office tools, right? So for that, we'll start from the part B first unit itself. I'm skipping the unit which I have made you taught. That unit has been reduced, and we are using the first unit, that is digital documentation part 1. Let's start. So digital documentation in advance we'll study. Okay, so first topic is a create and apply styles in the document. So what is style? Style is a set of format that you can apply to selected page, text, frames and other elements in your document to quickly change their appearance. Okay, so when you apply a style, you apply a whole group of formats at the same time. Styles are what? Styles are the logical attribute. Using style means that you stop saying font size, like Times New Roman. You can change the styles of the content as well. Okay, like styles help improve consistency in a document. They may also make major formatting changes easy. For example, for a long document, this simply task and prohibited. Okay, so there are various type of styles. Okay, like it could be included as the margin, header, footer, border and backgrounds, paragraph styles, character style, frame style, numbering style. This all comes under what? Styles in a document. Even cell style include font, alignment, border, okay, graphic style. These are all the styles. How you could be able to apply this style? You need to first open the Open Office Writer, right? So under the Open Office Writer, you will click on styles and formatting icon. Under the styles and formatting icon, or you can press F11 for that to open it. You will find that the window appears, and under that you will find many types of styles, and whatever the style you want to apply, you can apply it and change your document formatting. Okay, next is your, see, this type of window will be open. I'll make you understand through the practical also after this. Like using film format mode. Film format mode is what? It is used to apply the style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. So open the style and formatting, click the fill format icon to apply a paragraph, page or frame style. However, the mouse over the paragraph, page or frame and click. To apply character style, hold down the mouse button while selecting the characters. Clicking on word applies the character style. To quit fill format mode, click the fill format mode icon again or press the escape key. Okay. Now next is creating new custom styles. So how you could be create, you may want to add some new styles. You can do this in two ways, like creating a new style from a selection, or by opening the styles and formatting window in the document section, select the item you want to save as a style, and in the style formatting window, click on the new style from selection icon. So you will find the new style, and then you can drag and drop to create a style. By that you could be able to apply your style formatting. Okay, next is your updating a style from a selection. How you could be able to update the style? So open the styles and formatting window in the document, selected item that has the format you want to adopt as a style. So in the styles and formatting window, select the style you want to update and then long click. See, this is the window will be appear, and you could be able to update the style. Okay, by that you could be able to apply your style formatting in your document. Now next part is an inserting and use of images. What do you mean by inserting and use of images? Images can be added to a document in several ways. By inserting an image file directly from a graphics program or scanner, or from the OO gallery. Inserting an image file. When an image in a file stored on a computer, you can insert it into an OO document using either the following methods, like drag and drop method. Open a file browser, locate the image you want to insert and drag the image to the writer document. Or you could be able to have to hold down Control plus Shift key while dragging the image. Okay. Now if you want to do manually, then click on the O document where you want the image to appear, choose insert picture from file image, then the dialog box appear, and then you have to choose whatever the image you want to choose. Okay, and then it is ready to uh, insert in your document. Okay, next is your using a scanner. There are various types of area by which you could be able to insert the image. Okay, I'll make you understand through the practical one. Modifying an image: when you insert a new image, you may need to modify it to suit the document, right? So to here we'll discuss like is using the picture tool. You have the picture tool modules, graphic mode. You can flip vertical or horizontal way. Okay, you can change the color as well, that whatever the color you want you could be able to change. Cropping your image, you could be able to crop your image, right? So this all part I'll make you understand through the practical one. Okay, so let us move to the practical part. From that I'll make you learn that what are the topics being to be covered in this. Okay, like see, create a news template. What do you mean by template? Template is a model that you use to create other document. For example, you can create a template for business report that has your company's logo on the first page. Like the template is what? The template is means what? Document which is prepared, and you don't want to edit in that. It is very ready fast of time. Just you need to select the template and it is very you can publish in your document, and just some editing is required in that, and your template is ready. Okay, so let us see in a practical part. Okay, so how to change the color, font or styles. Second, we'll learn how to insert the images, and third, how to insert the template. Okay, let's see. So see, from where I have started, I need to open OpenOffice. Okay, so from start I will find OpenOffice tool. Okay, OpenOffice tool, this is my OpenOffice tool. Okay, and under that you will find what? Writer, right? Writer is available. You need to click on the writer and this type of page will be open. Okay, OpenOffice writer is being opened. Now next is how you could be able to apply the paragraph formatting and everything. Okay, so see, I'm writing here DPS Jagdalpur. Okay, so this is my content. So if I want to change its font, then there is a property page here. You can be able to change whatever the property you want. Okay, like see, I am writing here Rockwell, so my content is changed. If you want to increase the size, you could be able to increase the size as well. This is what superscript, this is subscript. Okay, character spacing, whatever the character spacing you want, you could be able to click, and you could have the character spacing. Okay, you can set the character spacing according to your style. Okay, next is color option is available. You could be able to change the color as well. Okay, this is the fill color option. I'm not changing fill color option. Okay, next is your highlight option is also available. Font color is also available. Whatever the font color you want, you could be able to change the font color. So according to that, you could be able to change. If you want to set the paragraph setting alignment, you could be able to change the paragraph setting alignment. This is your bullet part. Okay, bullet, this is your simple bullet. From here you can choose the bullet options, what bullet you want. Okay, next is your, this one is numbering bullet, you can change. Next is your spacing, like see, DPH Jagdalpur, Kalipur. Okay, so if you want that there should be some space, you need to select it and then just increase the space or decrease your space. Okay, next is indent, left indent or decrease indent. Okay, switch to hanging indent. Okay, so this is all about, you can change manually also, you can change the paragraph setting. Okay, so this is all about a page setting, right? Now page style, if you want that the page style should be changed, so background, if you want that color should be changed, like this color should be added, so just click here and this is your background color. Okay, just click wherever you want and then you need to select it, right? See, according to that you could be able to change your color and all your data. Okay, next is your like header section or footer section. You can change like border you want, and you can set the border as well. Okay, you can set that what type of border you want, and then just click on OK. You will find that border has been set. So according to that, you could be able to set your border. Next is, if you want to format, like from styles and formatting you want to change, then styles and formatting is available, and character site is also available. You can change the character as well, that whatever the character you want, you need to select it first. Okay, and then you need to apply whatever the character formatting you want. See, drop caps is there, caption character is there, okay, bullet is there, right? So according to that, I have changed the styles formatting. Okay, this is your style formatting window. Next, if you want to insert the image, then you need to click on insert, and then you will find the picture option is available. Then you have to click on from file, and second one is the scan option is also available. Okay, select source and request. In my system I don't have the scanner attached, so I'm not going with the scan option. I'll click from file, right? So from file, the dialog box will be open. See, this type of dialog box is open. Like from my area is available in desktop, so I'll click on desktop, and then I need to select whatever the image I want. Okay, like see this logo I want, so just click on open. So you can see that the data is available. Okay, now if you want to change its area, that where you want to store, just left click and drag wherever you want. Okay, see, by this you could be able to change. Here the property is also available. You can set its contrast. Okay, its brightness also could be set. Okay, color mode is also available, like if you want grayscale, so grayscale is available, black and white is available. Okay, transparency also you could be able to set, so it will be transparent, right? So according to that you can change. If you want the wrap should be there, then you can set the wrap also. Position and size is also available. Okay, so according to that you could be able to change your data. Okay, next is, if you want, now if you want to flip it like horizontally or vertical, so just click here and you will find this tool is available, right? So from this tool you will find that this is your flip horizontal or flip vertical. Flip vertically, so it will be flipped vertically, right? So if you want to apply some filter, then you can apply the filter. Okay, like if you don't want to apply the filter, just click back. Next is, if you want to set its color, see this is color, so you can set its color also. Okay, so according to that you can change its whatever the option you want, you could be able to apply the options. Okay, next is your template. So from here you could be able to find the template part, right? So you will find from the file, under that wizards is available. From that you need to select whatever the template you want. If I click on letter, then you will find the letter part, but in my system it like grep is not installed, so it is showing. You need to install JRE first, such that you could be able to set the template. While if you don't install template, then the simple modification whatever you want, then you could be able to do it. So this is all about today's class. Next topic we'll learn in the next class. Thank you.